Today I've cooked Karahi Paneer for you with simple and straightforward instructions.
There are many recipes out there, but I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to make a Karahi Paneer. You only need a few ingredients and let's get started.
Peel a few red onions. Slice in the middle. And then thinly slice them. And now peel ginger. And I'll cut it into small chunks. Now cut up a few chilies. And I'll slice a few tomatoes in the middle. Now in a blender jar, add peeled garlic, green chilies, ginger, and tomatoes. Now add a little water. Fill it on. And I'll make a fine paste. So now you have a fine paste like this.
The next step is Karahi Masala. It is a concoction of 4 different spices and it's easy to make and you must make your own. In a pestle mortar you can do it, or you can also use your spice grinder. Add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, and make a coarse mix. Now break a few red chillies and put them into the spice mix. And now you have a beautiful aromatic Karahi spices ready. I'm going to use half of them into the base sauce and save the rest for the rest of the process. In a heavy bottom pan, heat up the oil and add spice mix. Fry it for about 20 seconds and then quickly add chopped up onions. Give it a stir and fry them until they are light brown. Few things keep in mind. If you want to cook like a pro, it's important that you keep the main thing. Heavy bottom pan, it's really important that you use heavy bottom pan. It distributes the heat properly. And use red onions. In about 7 to 8 minutes, the onions have started to get a little brown tinge, and that's what we need. Now in a bowl, add coriander powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and turmeric powder. Add a little water and make a paste. Now this is what you need for making your Karahi chicken or Karahi Paneer. I've added water in it just to help you cook them better, because if you're new to Indian cooking and you are worried that you're going to burn your spices, then sometimes this happens. This will avoid that danger, that risk. So always if you're making a curry like this, you can add a little bit of water and that will protect your spices from burning. And now at this stage, put the flame down to lowest setting and then add your spice paste. Give it a stir and fry about 30 to 40 seconds. And now add tomato paste. Now give it a stir and put the flame to a medium setting and let it cook until the oil separates. After 5 minutes, add salt and add a little warm water. Give it a stir. Now cover the pan and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now while the masala is getting ready, let's do the rest of the prep. Slice 1 green pepper. Cut it into dices. Slice an onion in the middle or dice it and make petals. Now cut a tomato in the middle, and now cut in the middle and remove the seeds. And then dice it. Now cut up paneer into desired shapes. And now when you open the lid, you can see the masala has cooked well. The oil has come on the surface, on the sides. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now sauce for Karahi Paneer is ready. I'm going to cook a paneer and the peppers. Now another pan, add a little bit of oil. Now quickly add rest of the Karahi spices, peppers and onions. Now fry these on a high flame for about a couple of minutes. Now toss them on a high flame for about 30 to 40 seconds. When the peppers and onions are squashed, add diced tomatoes. Give it a stir. And then add paneer. Give it a stir. Add a little chili powder, bit of salt, and toss them. Now fry the paneer until it gets a little bit of color. Now dip the paneer, onions and peppers into the sauce. A little splash of hot water and give it a stir. And now to finish off, some toasted kasuri methi, some juliennes of ginger. Give it a stir. Now there it is guys, this is your restaurant style Karahi Paneer and you can make it in your own kitchen.